Narrow side yards often present unique challenges for homeowners, but with the right strategies, they can be transformed into functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor spaces that significantly enhance the overall appeal of your property. By implementing creative landscaping ideas, you can make the most of every square inch, turning your narrow yard into a vibrant extension of your home. One effective approach is to embrace star-star vertical gardening star-star. This technique allows you to maximize your limited horizontal space by utilizing walls, fences, or specially designed structures to grow plants upwards. Vertical gardens not only save space, but they also add depth and texture to your narrow yard, creating a lush and inviting atmosphere. You can incorporate a variety of plants, from flowering vines to edible herbs, ensuring that your outdoor living area is both beautiful and functional. In addition to vertical gardening, consider the use of trellises. These versatile structures can serve multiple purposes in a narrow yard. They can support climbing plants, provide privacy, or even act as a decorative element that draws the eye upward. By strategically placing trellises along the side of your house or fence, you can create a sense of enclosure while also enhancing the visual interest of your space. Furthermore, integrating multi-purpose features into your narrow yard can enhance functionality without compromising style. For instance, built-in seating can transform a simple walkway into a cozy nook for relaxation or socializing. Similarly, incorporating storage solutions, such as benches with hidden compartments, can help keep your outdoor space organized and clutter-free. In conclusion, narrow side yards need not be a limitation. With innovative landscaping ideas, such as vertical gardening, trellises, and multi-purpose features, these small spaces can be transformed into beautiful outdoor living areas that enrich your home's overall aesthetic. By harnessing the potential of your narrow yard, you can create a unique and inviting environment that reflects your personal style while maximizing the utility of your outdoor space.